This screw here is one screw, second screw, third screw, and over here. And also we need to remove this one. And there is screw inside here. Oh, it's not coming with. Because I didn't know over here one screw. Main screw over here, good. There is one screw. Oh, I cannot find this one. Maybe I need to turn on my right. That's right. Can turn on the side, please. Yeah, see over here. Here's one screw. Look over here. Need to remove this one as well. Okay. Then we can just pull it out. This is the filter. So we can check the condition of the filter. And also inside. Oh, there is some grease. I don't know why. And here is also my filter. I think is good. Not so bad.
This is the sports I know. It can be worse.
Huh? I think it's not so dirty. I'll wipe it. I'll wipe some grease over here, over here, over here. Na, baru ko rin sila ito. Ito.
But sure it's a
And also we need to open the
What is it?
this one as well. Baru.
okay. Baru.
Baru on that. That's one. I think wow in this one.
Yeah.
What is this?
Seven.
Seven cannot fit. Oh no, like this.
8.
Supposed to be like this. 8. I think 8 is fine, yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'll try. Open it. So costing by क्या इसको बताइए. Okay. I open it like this. There is another screw.
Sleep out. Sleep out, right?
Okay. Right, open it. है ना? कसरी खोलेर
Think now I'm like.
काम देऊ त.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Stop.
Let's try it now. Wrong one over here.
Yeah.
Right. We need to screw it up. Screw it out. है ना?
Yeah. And we bought this
Yeah.
online
Yeah, from Taobao.
from Taobao. Here is our filter.
New filter, air filter. Light pull it again.
Flash advance. Now we're checking the condition of the filter. कस्तो हुन्छ त
Let's check it out. Okay,
Oh, there is the filter.
there is filter over here. See? It's no, I think it's not too much dirty. Right?
Oh,
Right here, this one. Inside my rubber. Go, sir.
four is it?
पहिले होतो त्यो अर्को थियो त्यही ल्याउनु वाइप सम डस्ट ओभर हियर हैन इट्स नट टू मच डर्टी बट इवन दो वी क्लीन इट लेट्स अनबॉक्स दिस वन
It's unboxing our new filter.
a new filter bought from Taobao. You need to check the review. But China,
पैसा छैन कहिले काट्नु पो भन्नु
You need to check the review before buying this filter. Don't buy in the wrong vendors. Maybe you will get the bad one. Right?
त्यो त
There
प्याकेजिङ
are two filters, one big and one small. Blade चाहिँ ल्याउनु पर्ने भाइले. Yeah. Okay, I got this one. One box. This is big filters, and there is two kind of filter in Yamaha Force. This is 2017 models. Okay, I got this new one. So let's take it out. Okay, it's very clean, yeah.
अनि यो रियुजेबल हो नि यो
This is reusable
तपाईले यो लगइन हुन्छ धोएर
comparatively.
यो चिलो चिलो
I
छ
think it's very bit dirty.
है यो लास्ट तेल तेल जस्तो निक्लेर रहेछ के
Okay.
चिल्लो
Now just fix this one. It's very easy. You just put it like this. Just fix it and screw it. It's very easy. Yeah. So they will take another one, the round one. It's very easy to change the air filters. It's not big issue. Yeah. Very hard because I didn't have scissors. Yeah, I'll do it like this. Just do it like this. They are very strong. You don't need it scissors. Just use the hand tools.
नयाँ र पुरानो हेरौँ न कस्तो
Where is the new one with the old one? You guys, you can compare. This is the old one and this is the new one, yeah? See the difference? Due to this, my motorcycle is like, it's feel like it's very hard to breathe in. Now I think...
कालो भइसक्यो होइन
कसरी हाल्ने हो
यही त्यो उयो डल्लो यो गोलो
I think, okay. I think it's done. Yes. Screw down. It's very simple, guys. You can do it by yourself. It's no big deal.
लाग्छ
यो छिटेन यो भित्र फिट भएन क्या मिलेन त्यहाँ
मिलेन ए यहाँ छिरेको छैन रहेछ यहाँ कहाँ पनि यहाँ छिरेन बल्ल छिरेन
के भयो
यो बल्ल छिरेन
अब के छ तिमीहरु गाइस चेक इट आउट कस्तो तर एकदमै यो लाइट भयो नि यार फ्ल्यास लाइट चाहियो
त्यो यस्तोमा चाहिँ त्यसमा क्यामेरामा चाहिँ नराम्रो देख्छ होइन तर राम्रो देख्छ यो अहिले
लाइट आएन कि नटहरु देख्ने के Here's a Sifu. I'm just his helper. You can check it out. This is spinning up. It's not so complicated. Just screw that one and put it over there, and that one is also main filter and this is side filters. My Sifu is screwing up the screw. Yeah. Okay. Quite simple. after doing this, you'll get the good mileage and also very easy to breathe for the motorcycles. And usually you need to change the filters depending on your weather, like what kind of weather you are. It's so dusty, rainy. In Hong Kong, usually we do it at 3,000. After 3,000 kilometers, we change the air filters. So we got a good mileage and also good for the engines. Like we need a brake, same as this is we call the motorcycle max. You know, you wear a max in the dusty environment, same as a motorcycle need a max. And this is air filter work like a max. तिमीले त्यहाँ भित्रको झिक्यो होइन हाल्न गाह्रो
के हो
यो पालको झरे आउनु त्यसमा very simple. Okay, now my CPU is the hole that's inside hole is trying to fix that one. Okay, it's done. It's very simple, guys. You can do it by yourself. It's almost same for Yamaha Force 155 and S Max. Yeah, I think it's S Max. My bike is
N
quite
Max.
good. Not N Max, S Max.
यसमा सुन्छ
S Max. Yeah, my S Max similar. The filter and all this air filter, everything is same. Now let's see how is the sound after changing the filters. There is one more screw. Very simple.
अर्डर नआउनुहोस्
Put out your screw. It's done now, yeah. We did it within 10 minutes. Yeah. Thank you very much, guys.
यस
Like I said, welcome.